When I was a student here at Moorfields and the Institute of Ophthalmology, I got a real buzz coming to work every day knowing that I was going to be working with world-leading experts, and if I had a question about a particular condition, I could walk down the corridor and find the person who knew more about it than anybody else on earth.
The courses give the delegates an opportunity to speak to the imaging companies and look at the ability of each imaging technology that is available. It gives them an opportunity to interact with experts within the field, and the experts who have been using these imaging technologies not only in the workplace but also in the research arena. And they'll give them an opportunity to expand their depth of knowledge with each instrument that they will be able to see.
The lecture I give is on autofluorescence imaging, which is a very important imaging modality in helping us diagnose a range of retinal diseases. With clinical examination you can only see so much, but with autofluorescence imaging we've certainly found in the genetic retinal clinics we see patterns of disease that really guide our further investigations and management of the patient. So it's really to give fellow retinal specialists an update on what's new in autofluorescence imaging.
The other thing that we're really focused on is getting that digitalization, that artificial intelligence that is so prevalent today. We hear those words all the time in the marketplace, but how do they really come to life in healthcare? And Moorfields and the Institute of Ophthalmology are places where they're really doing this successfully. So if you want to come and take a short course and really understand how AI and how digital learning can really enhance your work while also ensuring caring and making sure that the patient is front and center, this is really the place to do it, because this is the place where it's happening.